this video, I'll show you how to bundle products in WooCommerce to encourage customers to buy multiple related items. Start by going to your WooCommerce dashboard, then click on Products and choose Add New. Give your bundle a name like Gift Bundle and scroll down to the Product Data section. From the drop-down, select Grouped Product. This lets you offer multiple simple products together. Next, go to the Linked Products tab and add the simple products you want in your bundle. Make sure each product already exists in your store. Then, set a featured image that represents the bundle and write a description highlighting the benefits. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Your bundle is now live. Customers can choose individual items from the group or add all to their cart. Keep in mind, grouped products don't allow variable products or special bundle pricing. But they're a great way to boost sales and simplify bulk purchases. Like I said, your WooCommerce bundle is ready to attract more customers.